Junction presents Copenhagen. This place is nuts. I mean, look at this city on Google Maps. I'm here for like a week and knew I had to make the most of it, so I booked a bunch of tours. So buckle up, kids, because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the streets, canals, and history of Copenhagen. First up, the canals. These waterways are the lifeblood of the city, weaving through its heart and soul. Yeah, you heard me right, canals. They're not just for show. They're a vital part of Copenhagen's charm and history. Turns out Copenhagen is like the Venice of the North or something. The canals here are just as enchanting, offering a unique perspective of the city. Who knew? But forget the gondolas, we're hopping on a legit canal boat. These boats are modern, comfortable, and perfect for sightseeing. This thing is decked out, and guess what? We've got a guide who knows everything there is to know about this city. From historical landmarks to hidden gems, they've got it all covered. The sun is shining, the water is sparkling, and the city is buzzing. It's the perfect day to explore Copenhagen from the water. Seriously, if you only have a day or two in Copenhagen, a canal tour is a must-do. It's the best way to see the city's highlights and soak in its vibrant atmosphere. Alright, time to ditch the boat and hop on two wheels. Copenhagen is a biking city, and I'm not talking about some leisurely Sunday stroll. We're hitting all the major spots. Tivoli Gardens, the Little Mermaid statue, that colorful Nyhavn street, you know, the Instagram-worthy stuff. But here's the thing about these bike tours. You find all the hidden gems tucked away in side streets and alleys. By the end of this tour, my legs are burning, but I'm riding high on adrenaline and pure Copenhagen vibes. Chapter 3. Hitting the Pavement, a walking tour of Copenhagen. This chapter is all about experiencing the city in the most intimate way possible, by walking through its charming streets and alleys. After all that biking, I figured it was time to give my legs a break from pedaling and explore Copenhagen on foot. Walking allows you to take in the details you might miss otherwise. We had this awesome guide who was super knowledgeable about the city's history and architecture. I'm talking Viking history, royal scandals, and everything in between. He made the past come alive with his stories, making each stop on the tour more fascinating than the last. Walking tours are a great way to discover those hidden gems that you might miss on a bus or boat. From quaint little cafes to historic landmarks tucked away in narrow streets, there's so much to see. By the end of the tour, my feet were killing me, but it was totally worth it. The sense of satisfaction from uncovering the city's secrets on foot was unparalleled. Plus, I got some great exercise in the process. Chapter 4, Hop on, Hop off. The ultimate Copenhagen experience. Okay, I know what you're thinking, hop on, hop off buses, how basic can you get? But let me tell you, there's more to it than meets the eye. These buses are a lifesaver when you're short on time and want to see as much as possible. They offer a convenient way to explore the city without the hassle of navigating public transport or walking long distances. Plus, this one comes with a bonus, a boat tour. Imagine gliding through the picturesque canals, getting a unique perspective of the city's stunning architecture and vibrant waterfront. So I'm cruising around Copenhagen, soaking up the sights, and feeling like a tourist in the best way possible. The combination of bus and boat allows me to experience the city from both land and water. And when I'm ready for a change of scenery, I just hop off at any stop that tickles my fancy. Whether it's a historic landmark, a charming cafe, or a bustling market, the choice is mine. But the real highlight of this tour is the boat ride. The serene waters and scenic views make it an unforgettable experience. This hop-on, hop-off bus and boat tour is the ultimate way to experience Copenhagen from every angle. It's perfect for those who want to make the most of their visit, seeing the city's top attractions while enjoying the flexibility to explore at their own pace. So there you have it, guys. My whirlwind tour adventure through Copenhagen. From canals to bikes to cobblestone streets, this city has it all. If you're ever looking for a city that's bursting with history, culture, and good vibes, Copenhagen is calling your name. Stay tuned because the adventure never ends. Peace out.